They say aging is inevitable, but what if science disagrees? Most people believe losing strength, flexibility, and balance after 50 is just part of getting older. It's not. The truth is, your body doesn't stop growing. You just stop training it the right way. Modern research shows that a few simple exercises can literally reverse decades of decline. No magic pills, no extreme diets, just smart movement. These aren't random gym workouts. They're precise, muscle-building movements proven to boost strength, burn fat, and restore vitality. And the best part? Anyone can do them, anywhere. So if you've ever felt weaker, stiffer, or less confident in your body, stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change the way you age forever. Most people underestimate the horse stance until they actually try it. At first glance, it looks simple. Just stand wide with your knees bent, but stay there for a minute and you'll feel your muscles tremble like never before. This ancient martial arts training isn't just a workout, it's a lesson in discipline and stillness. It strengthens the legs, hips, and core, while teaching the body to root into the ground. In a world where everyone rushes through gym routines, chasing big muscles or quick ways to lose weight, this quiet position reminds you that true fitness is built through patience and presence. Hold it daily for a few minutes while brushing your teeth or watching TV, and you'll start to build muscles, improve posture, and feel a new sense of balance rising from the ground up, literally. The deep squat is more than a workout, it's a bridge back to our natural way of moving. In Japan, many older adults still rest in this position daily, chatting, cooking, or simply enjoying the moment. That's one reason they maintain such impressive mobility and longevity. This training restores what modern life took from us, the ability to move effortlessly. If your ankles or hips feel tight, place a small wedge or rolled towel under your heels, or lightly hold onto a door frame for support. Over time, your body adapts, your joints loosen, and your muscles strengthen. It's one of those fitness secrets hidden in plain sight, simple, but powerful enough to rebuild independence and balance for life. The Superman hold may look playful, but it's one of the most powerful training tools for building real, functional strength. Lying face down and lifting your chest, arms, and legs might seem easy until those muscles start to burn. This workout engages the entire posterior chain: back, glutes, shoulders, and hamstrings. It's like reverse gravity for your posture, helping you stand taller and protect your spine. People who spend hours sitting, whether at a desk or driving, often discover that just a minute of this exercise daily can ease back pain and awaken forgotten muscles. Think of it as the bodybuilding version of flying, where you don't just grow muscle, you grow confidence in how your body moves and holds itself. Balance is strength in disguise, and the single-leg RDL proves it. Standing tall on one leg and hinging forward might feel awkward at first, but that's exactly where the magic happens. This movement trains coordination, stability, and control qualities that protect you from falls and keep your muscles young. You'll feel your hamstrings stretch, your glutes activate, and your core tighten as you stabilize. Try doing it near a wall or countertop at the gym until your balance improves. Over time, you'll not only build muscles and pump muscles across the posterior chain, but also sharpen your mind-body connection. It's a quiet reminder that true fitness isn't about how heavy you lift, but how gracefully you move. You've seen it, aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means training smarter. Just a few minutes a day can rebuild your strength, balance, and confidence. So, which exercise will you start with today? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep learning how to grow stronger, not older.